Welcome back guys, this is Zuniga Security for cybersecurity. Today we're gonna talk about the weak randomness vulnerability. So before we get started, just a little intro. Okay guys, so let's say that we wanna steal an account from a victim. Let's call this victim Bob. So we are gonna send a phishing email with a link that will contain an XSS. This XSS basically steal the cookie from Bob and send back and will send back to us. Now we just incrementing this session ID, this cookie, we can access to Bob account, and for example now we can change the password. In that way Bob won't be able anymore to access to his account. So let's see a simple lab and how these weak randomness are implemented. Okay, so here we are into the damn vulnerable web application and with the low security level. So now let's go here into the weak session ID. So let's open the inspect element and let's go into the network tab. Okay, first of all just click on generate and we analyze this post request. Going into the cookie tab, and as you can see we have a session ID equal to 7. Okay, so now what if we generate, for example, another ID? So into the network tab, to the post, analyze the cookie, and as you can see now the cookie is equal to 8. So maybe it's just another. Okay, so now let's try with another one. We generate the post request, and now the cookie is equal to 9. So that guys means that the cookie, the session ID are predictable, and this will cause a lot of vulnerability. But in particular we can impersonify other user just incrementing the session ID. In fact, as you can see, if we just go here into the view source tab, we can analyze the code, and basically here that tell us that if there is already a session, just the session ID will be just incremented by 1. Otherwise will be create a new session ID equal to 0. Okay guys, so I wanna discuss about one main solution. So that we have to use some cryptography library inside our framework that are, for example, certified by some cryptography standard, like for example the NITS or the FIPS. And another thing that we can do is also adding some flag to our cookie, to our session ID, to have this session ID more secure. So, and this is a basic example that show us how we can create a secure token, a secure session ID. So that's it for today's video guys, hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to drop you one of those to say yo Zuniga, I'm here to help you. And guys, if you have any advice, just leave a comment down below, and you can find me everywhere. And I want to remember you to check it out, the link down below about Contra application security. So see you next time, peace.